Welcome, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Have you been dreaming about building your own shed, but don't know where to start? Maybe you've tried following shed blueprints before and ended up frustrated with incomplete instructions. Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're talking about how you can build any shed you want in just a weekend, even if you've zero woodworking experience. Yes, you heard that right. With over 12,000 shed plans at your fingertips, the sky's the limit. Picture this. You've got your tools ready, you're eager to start your project, but then you hit a roadblock. How do I get from this point in the plan to this part? Sound familiar? Most shed plans out there are either too complicated or too simplified, leaving you more confused than when you started. But that's where RyanShedPlans comes to the rescue. First off, our shed plans include complete step-by-step instructions. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned pro, our easy-to-follow plans are designed for everyone. No blueprint reading experience is necessary. You'll have everything you need to get started, including a complete materials list for every project. No more guesswork about what you need. Let's face it, trying to wing it is a recipe for disaster. If you're investing your time, money, and energy into building a shed, you deserve a plan that covers everything. To build the perfect shed, you'll need clear views of all angles and details, step-by-step Lego-style instructions, complete materials and precise cutting lists, 3D drawings to visualize your creation, CAD-designed drawings for precision, used for labels to make assembly a breeze. With RyanShedPlans, you get thousands of designs and styles to choose from, whether you need a large outhouse, a garage, or a small garden shed. We cover all types of roofs, from gable and gambrel to hip and pent. Our catalog offers timeless and modern designs in various sizes to suit your preferences. Whether you love the traditional charm of barns or modern, sleek lines, we've got it all. Each design comes with step-by-step photos, complete building plan drawings, and clear assembly instructions. RyanShedPlans is your one-stop shop for preparing, planning, designing, and choosing the perfect shed. Ready to take on your next project? Sign up now to download our comprehensive shed plans and start building today. Your dream shed is just a weekend away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.